Question 2. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. First, 13 term of AP 10, 7, 4 is option A 97, B 77, C minus 77, D minus 87. A first term is equal to 10. Difference D is equal to second term 7 minus first term minus 10. N is equal to 30. An is equal to question mark. D is equal to 7 minus 10 minus 3. Formula An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A 10 plus N 30 minus 1 into D minus 3 is equal to 10. 30 minus 1 29 into minus 3. 10 plus 29 into minus 3 minus 87 is equal to 10 minus 87 minus 77. Example second, 11 term of the AP minus 3, comma minus 1 by 2, 2 dash is option A 28, B option 22, C option minus 38, D option minus 48 and half. A is equal to minus 3, D is equal to second term A2 minus first term A1 is equal to minus A2 value minus 1 by 2 minus D value minus 3. Minus 1 by 2 minus minus plus 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 3 5 by 2. An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A is minus 3 plus N 11 minus 1 into D is 5 by 2. Minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 10 into 5 by 2. 2 1 are to 5 are is equal to minus 3 plus 5 5 are 25 is equal to subtraction 22.